Bit of progress with the little game that I'm doing for Ludum Dare. I'm just messing about now with the collision detection. What I've got is, in place of the little diamond which is the player, I'm putting up a C on the left hand side to indicate, there it goes, that the collision detection is active. In other words, when there's a barrier or an obstacle passing by the player, and you can see that the little C appears, there it goes, as we pass through. Safe, of course, in that position. Let's move the player down a bit and collide with something. So here we go, this is going to collide. Now we should see a C in both characters of the player position there, indicating that the collision detection is active and that we've had a collision. Let's just move that down again. So that one should pass through safe. If I go up, it collides. If I go down, it doesn't collide. So I think my collision detection is right now. Let's have that one collide there. So that's CC for collision detection active and collision detected, and then upper level, and its collision detection is active, but we haven't in that case collided. Wow, it's starting to work. You can also see that I've got the new obstacles appearing on the right hand side, and I've got the obstacle gaps appearing in random Y positions, random heights. Good old RND function, RND function in BASIC doing that. So it'll be the same on each run as it stands at the moment, but at least the obstacles are showing up with randomly positioned gaps, although some of these look like going to be tricky to get to fly through, I would have thought. Let's see if we can actually get it to fly through a few of these in sequence. Of course, this is where I'll have to make it respond correctly to the user, giving it the command to fly a bit higher. There we go, pass through there. Now let it sink down. I nudged the edge of that one. Now we should be safe through there. It's all way too slow, so one of the things I'm going to have to do is code some assembly language in 6502 assembler to draw the obstacles using a much more quick bit of code to make the whole thing go faster, and it'll be more responsive to the user input as well, because of course while it's doing all that drawing of all those barriers going along the screen, it's not looking at the keyboard during that time, and so the user's input is ignored, and it is quite unresponsive at the moment.